Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I have something quite special. This is a collab piece between BAPE and FCRB, the so-called imaginary football team under Nike. So FC is the football club, RB is real Bristol. Alright, so I actually took it out and I thought I forgot to actually unbox it for you guys. So let's do a first unboxing. I've got a few more on the way, so let me unbox this item first. So it comes with this paper and the usual BAPE camo tags right there. So just before I wear this, let's have a look. So right in front you can see the FCRB print in ABC camo green, which is a very nice touch right there. Very nice print. And above that you have the both brands, Bathing Ape, Ape Head, and the patchwork from Bristol. You can see here's a rubber kind of feel. You got the star and the ape star, and FCRB print right there. Very nice detailing. I like this patchwork especially because it's got that rubbery kind of feel. And this t-shirt is, I don't know what you call it, the team t-shirt. It's made of polyester. So at the back you also got another bigger print. You got the FCRB over the shoulders, and at the back you have the 938. I'm not sure if this is the jersey number or what, but 93, as you know, stands for the year that BAPE was founded. And of course you get small little detailing here. Alright, Ape Star and Ape Head right there. Bristol as well. Very nicely done. On the sleeves you get this very unique limited edition Ape Head and Bristol logo. At the back you get this branding. Nice touch. Is there anything on the right sleeve? No. So on the inside, the neck tags, you can see FCRB BAPE. So along the neck liner here, nice touch. So again, back to this, look at the logo. I got it in a size XXL simply because these are a smaller fit. Alright, I've tested it, so this will be a size XL US. So if you're a big guy, best you size up. It's a little bit fitting, so just take note on that. The wash tags. Let's go. As you can see here, polyester 100% and soft net in Japan, made in China. All that good stuff. Okay, I think that's about it. Very nice quality. It's got that kind of nice material and very breathable for sports and all that. And the neck liner looks quite unique as well. So follow me on IG at LKHOE23, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. I'll be bringing up a few more FCRB BAPE collab items in the next video. Alright, catch you guys later. Bye.